Hello everybody, Sean here again with another little video. Slightly unusual one, this reciprocals, but you need to know about reciprocals when it comes to dividing fractions, so it's a good thing to make sure you're okay with. Now what have I written here? To find the reciprocal of a number, just divide 1 by that number. So if I had something, for example, like 2, the reciprocal of 2 would just be 1 over 2. If I had 3, the reciprocal of 3 would be 1 over 3. If I had 5, the reciprocal of 5 would be 1 over 5. And if I had something even bigger like 27, the reciprocal of 27 would be 1 over 27. Now, it's quite straightforward that, but the other thing you need to make sure you're okay on is to get to, if you've got a reciprocal of a fraction, you want to find a reciprocal of a fraction, you're just basically flipping it over. So if I had something like 2 over 3, the reciprocal of 2 over 3 would just be 3 over 2. And if I had 5 over 7, the reciprocal of that would just be 7 over 5. Now, two interesting things you need to be aware of when it comes to reciprocals. One thing you can see is when you multiply the reciprocal by the original number, you're going to end up with 1. It will always end up being 1. So if you look at these previous examples I did over here, 2 halves, 2 lots of a half, that would obviously equal 1. If I had 3 lots of a third, that would equal 1 as well. 3 lots of a third would equal 1 whole. Same for 1/5, 5 times 1/5, 5/5 would equal 1 as well, and so on, yeah? 27 lots of 1/27 would give me 1 as well. And that works out the same with these fractions. If you think about these, I'll have, if I remember when I multiply my fractions together, 2 times 3 over 3 times 2, or 2 times 3 equals 6, and 3 times 2 equals 6, and 6 over 6 would equal 1 as well. So that's how that works. One little thing as well, 0 hasn't got a reciprocal. 0, if you think about it, if you try to do that, 1 over 0, which would be what the reciprocal would look like, you can't actually divide by anything by 0, it wouldn't work. So basically 0, no reciprocal. But this, what we've just been looking at here, is be very helpful when it comes to looking at dividing fractions. So we'll be looking at that in a little